Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will first verify that you have permission to view call recordings. If you lack access, request admin rights now. Once done, open the application or portal and navigate directly to the recordings or call history area. Make sure you note the date range and any participant identifiers before searching, because precise filters speed retrieval. You're starting the process with focused inputs so the system returns results quickly and you avoid loading irrelevant items. Now you filter results. Set date range, participant, and call type to narrow the list. This reduces noise and targets the right session. Once the list appears, preview metadata like duration and tags, then select the exact recording you need. Press play and use speed or skip controls to scan content. If required, choose download or export to save a local copy. These steps let you quickly confirm the recording's relevance and extract it for review. Finish by downloading a copy and adding timestamps or notes for key moments. This preserves context and simplifies future review. Then move the file into the proper archive folder or tag it according to your retention policy so it's findable later. If you cannot find or play a recording, check retention settings, confirm your permissions, and verify storage health or retention deletion logs. If necessary, contact admin with the call ID. That single troubleshooting step resolves most missing recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.